Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a 2009 Toyota Tacoma. We're going to be replacing both of the headlights. You'll notice that these right here have the condensation buildup, so it's going to be a good time to go ahead and replace it. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button to help the YouTube algorithm. I'm going to go over some tools you'll need here in just a moment, and don't forget to subscribe. I don't have all the tools memorized just yet, but for this DIY, make sure you have a 3/8 ratchet, some type of extension, one of these plastic pry bar tools, a pick, American, and then of course metric, just a socket set, and your replacement headlight, whatever you're gonna go with. So to start, obviously you want to pop your hood. Let's go over to the front. In the front right now. Put the camera down. You're gonna latch it into your hood so it doesn't fall on you. Our first step is going to be to remove the grille. These are going to be 10mm nuts right here. So there's 1, 2. Back those both out, and then we're going to take off these little plastic fasteners. Obviously use the ratchet to take that off. I'm just using a battery power wrench, so it's a little bit quicker. It's going to be 2 of these little plastic fasteners, one right here, and of course one on the other side down there. Kind of what it looks like. Let's see. Okay. Take it off the other side down here too. So once you get these little clips off, like I said, there is one right here, and there's one right there. Take them both off. This right here should all just pop off. Make sure you pay attention. Make sure you pay attention to these little retainer clips. Oops, right there. Because this right here, we're going to transfer over to the new headlight. And right there. But I'll show you that more here in a moment. We're going to transfer that over to the new headlight. This next part is optional. You don't have to do this at all, but I'm going to because I don't want my bumper to flex too much. So you can just pull these clips up like this. Oops. Just pull all of this off. And this is just going to slide right off, just so the bumper doesn't flex too hard. You can get a different screwdriver. Transfer this over to your new headlight. Push this out slowly. Now we're going to go over to the side. There is a little 10mm nut right here that holds the front bumper on. I personally like to take this off so again your bumper doesn't flex too much, so back this off. I need both hands. Back that off though. We're back to the front. Now I should be able to pull off the bumper enough to. There we go. We were just trying to expose that nut right there. This headlight now should come back out, just get behind there and pull out all the low beam, high beam, and turning signals. And when you get behind it, just connect the harness. This one should pull right up. Okay. Turning signals down here. One more here in the corner. There it is. So the light should come right out now. Take that over to your workbench. We're going to transfer some of the hardware over. We're going to move this over, of course, and then some of the other fixtures, whatever it is you want to use, that's OEM. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to transfer this over to the new one. There's water in there. Take this little pop this retaining clip off. And take this out. Put this into your new one. I like the OEM retaining clip as well, so I'm going to take this and put it over to the new one as well. I'm going to put the camera down, but get this clip back in there. Now we're going to reassemble the headlight. Make sure you put all your connectors back into their respective areas. Alright, pretty much got it in. I'm going to put the lights back in the back. Connectors are all back in. I'm actually going to go ahead and stop the video here. I don't want to make it too long. Reassembly is everything the same, but just the opposite. I'll show you a video of what it looks like once I get both sides done here in just a moment. If you like the video, make sure you give me that thumbs up again to help with that YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to hit subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next one. Alright, so we are done. I got everything buttoned back up. You'll notice the headlights now are, oh whoops, forgot to take this off. This is what the finished product looks like right here. Got on both sides, and we are good to go. Super easy DIY. If you like this video, again, make sure you give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.